As a TikTok content creator, do you know you can use your TikTok videos to grow your YouTube channel to the monetization level? We all know that YouTube allows, or the requirement to monetize your YouTube account is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. If you are using a short version of the YouTube monetization section, you can actually use the short to get up to 10 million views and you are qualified for the YouTube monetization. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your TikTok videos to get to the point of monetizing your YouTube channel. So stay with me to the end of this video to know how you can use your TikTok videos or TikTok content to monetize your YouTube channel to the fullest. So watch this video. Example of what I'm talking about regarding using TikTok to monetize your YouTube account is this. For example, let me open my TikTok account. If I open my TikTok account, let me click on search over here and let me search for this baby pixie. So if I click on her page now, you can see that on her profile she has about 9.7 million. She has about 9.7 million followers, and if you watch most of her video, is very viral. And as you can see from here, she has about 20 million plus, 14 million plus, and so on and so forth. So right now she has her Instagram account linked to this account. So if I click on her Instagram, if I visit her Instagram page, you are going to see that on her Instagram she also has about 250 something thousand subscribers as well. Now if you scroll down to this Instagram, you see that about 90% of the content she posts on Instagram is related to her TikTok account as well. So she normally gets some of the content from her TikTok to her own Instagram as well. So let's go back to her TikTok account for you to understand what I mean. So if you click on this icon as well and you click on the YouTube, you can see that on her YouTube page she don't have any video. She don't have any video on her YouTube page. So what you can see mainly here is her TikTok content, and it's on short videos. So over here at the tab bar, you can't see anything like videos. The only thing you can see is short, playlist, community, as you can see, and channels and about. So if you click here, you will find out that on short, all she has here is videos. All her videos on TikTok is what she's posting here. She don't even have the right video, like a video that is longer than 1 minute. Okay, now check out her YouTube subscribers. You can see she has about 58,500 and something K subscribers with just 112 videos. To tell you guys, what she's just doing is just to go to her TikTok, pick her content and post it back as short on her YouTube channel. And as you can see from here, she's having more than 7,000 views, more than 7,200 views, some are even 49,000 views, and so on and so forth. So with this now, like I said previously, I told you that what you need as a short content creator on YouTube is just 10 million views. So if you calculate all the views she has been having here, some are 300 and something thousand, whereby some are already 600 and something thousand, some are even 1 point something million already. Okay, so with all these short add together, she will make up to 10 million views, and she already have 1,000 subscriber plus, which is 58,500 and something K subscribers. So with this, she has already monetized her YouTube channel. Okay, so anything you are watching from her YouTube right now, Google pays them instant. Google pays her instantly. So it's obvious that YouTube is paying to her account every month, and don't be surprised she will be making more than 500 or 1,000 or $2,000 every single month. So see, this is exactly how you can use your TikTok videos to monetize your YouTube account and use it to grow any of your other social media account. Okay, so I hope by now you have already understand and know how you can use your TikTok videos or TikTok content to monetize your YouTube channel. What you just need as a short video is to get up to 10 million views. If you are using a full video, then what you need is 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, and you are good to go. So if you like this video, like, share, comment, and follow me for more, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and peace out.